everyone! Today Hemptique is bringing you a macrame heart-inspired keychain. This keychain will make the perfect handmade Valentine's Day gift. For this tutorial you are going to need our number 48 hemp cord. We'll be using 6 cords measured about 3.5 feet long. You're also going to need a keychain of any type of style you prefer for this project. Now, let's get started. Go ahead and fold all 6 of your cords evenly in half and attach them to your keyring with a reverse Lark knot. To do this, I'm just going to take that folded end behind my keyring. I'm going to pull it around so there's this loop right in front, where I can then pull the remaining 2 strings through the loop and then pull it tight. And I'm just repeating that with all 6 cords. Now it is time to begin the top half of our heart design. To do the heart design, we will be using double half hitch knots. Start on the side of the left and count until you reach the 3rd cord. We're going to point this cord diagonally down and to the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots around it with the other 2 strings on the left. So I'll take that first cord here, curl it up and over my leading rope to form a loop. I'm going to twist it around so it goes through the loop, and I'm going to pull that nice and tight. Then I'm going to take that same cord, curl it up and over my leading rope, twist it around so it comes through the loop, and pull it tight. Now I'm going to move on to the next cord here on the left. Take it up and over, send it around to go through the loop, and pull it tight. Then I'm going to take it back up and around and through the loop. And those are my double half hitch knots. Now I'm going to leave off the 3 cords we just used and take the next cord, so the 4th one. And this time I'm going to point it down diagonal and to the right and tie 2 double half hitch knots around it with the next 2 cords. Now I'm going to count from the right side until I reach the 4th cord. I'm going to point this cord down diagonal and to the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots with the 2 cords next to it. Now we're going to take the 2 cords that are now directly in the middle and we're going to attach them together with another double half hitch knot. Now to finish out the last part of our top half, we're going to take all 3 cords here on the end. The third from the end is our leading rope, and we just again tie 2 double half hitch knots around this cord. The top half of our heart is now finished. Now we're going to take our 2 cords that are on the far left and right, and these are both going to be our leading ropes, and we're going to tie them both down towards each other to finish out our heart. So I'm going to start here on the left side and tie 5 double half hitch knots around this rope. So I'm going to leave off this half of the project for now and focus just on these 5 ropes. Point it down and to the right. Now we're going to do the exact same on the right side. Take the string on the far right, point it down and to the left, and tie 5 double half hitch knots. Now we're going to take those 2 leading ropes and just connect them together with another double half hitch knot. And your first heart is now complete. Now it's time to make a second macrame heart. Start on the left side and count to your 3rd rope. We're going to point this rope down and to the left and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Now move to the side on the right and count the 3rd string from the right. Point this one down and to the right and tie 2 double half hitch knots. going to take the two ends and again point them together towards the middle to finish out our heart, doing the same steps we did up above, tying 5 double half hitch knots around each rope. Then connect the two leading ropes with another double half hitch knot. Just like that. Make one more heart right below, following the exact same steps we did for the second heart. And once you have your third heart finished, it's time to finish off our project by just trimming the ends to the desired length. You can cut them really short or leave them long. It is a total personal preference. Or another option is to gather them together and tie them in a gathering knot so they're all bundled here together. But it's totally up to you. I'm just going to trim mine so that there's just a little bit of fringe. And here's what the final design looks like. 3 stacked hearts. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.